for purchasing a Wrangler ride-over gate. This DVD will show you the installation process for your ride-over gate. Once you have a suitable place for your gate, ensure the ground is flat and level. Place the ride-over gate in the gap to find the position for your first post. Separate the base frame and the gate frame by unhooking the chains from latches on the side of the gate. Remove the gate frame on about a 20-degree angle from vertical. Now you're ready to dig out and put in your first post. Put your first post in the ground in the desired position at normal height. Place the base of the ride-over gate against the post and ensure the post is level before filling in the hole. Now bring the ride-over gate base frame flush with the post. The ride-over gate comes supplied with timber to raise the frame about 50 mils off the ground. Mark holes for drilling with a 13 mil auger bit supplied with your ride-over gate. Line up the second post flush with the other side of the base frame and ram or dig the hole and sink the post in. Bolt the frame to the first post. Now you're ready to mark and drill the second post.
Yep.
After all the bolts have been put in place, tighten with an 18 mil spanner or crescent wrench. Once the bolts are tight, slide the main gate frame into the base frame at approximately 20 degrees from vertical. Replace or construct fencing between the original fence and your new ride-over gate. Build up dirt ramps either side so the gate frame is supported once it's on the ground. Flatten or pack down the dirt with either a four-wheeler or tractor tyre. Hook the springs to the D-clips on each side of the gate. Pull the chains up to the hooks and check the pendulum action. Ensure the rocker mechanism does not come into contact with dirt. Check the tension and adjust if necessary. Your ride-over gate is now ready to use. For questions or further product information, please contact The Wrangler or visit their website